Hi everyone and welcome back to DidyToys channel. Today we're crocheting a very simple bookmark. It's very easy to crochet and it takes about 15 minutes to crochet one. You don't need much yarn, you don't need any stuffing, so it's a perfect project if you are just starting crocheting so you can learn something new and practice. Last time we crocheted these adorable daisy keychains. If you haven't seen the video yet, I'll leave a card with the link somewhere here as always. I'll use 3 colors of yarn art jeans, yellow for the flower center, light purple for the petals, and green for the leaves and the stem. You'll also need scissors, a sewing needle, and a crochet hook. I'll use 1.75 millimeters. By the way, you can use any yarn you like and a proper size of a crochet hook. That's it. Let's start crocheting. We'll first crochet the flower center. I start by a magic circle. And now I'll crochet 10 half double crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the final one, 10. Now I'll pull the tail to tighten the circle. And the first round is ready. Now I insert the hook into the next stitch. Grab the thread and pull it, but I don't finish crocheting the single crochet using yellow yarn. I attach purple color. Grab the thread and pull it, finishing the single crochet. Now I'll crochet the petals using purple color. And first of all, I'll make a slip stitch into the same stitch. And now I'll start crocheting the first petal, and I'm going to fasten the tails in the process. So I'll crochet 7 stitches into the next stitch. So 7 stitches just in one stitch. We crochet first a single crochet, then a half double crochet into the same stitch, a double crochet into the same stitch, a treble crochet into the same stitch, now a double crochet again, same stitch, a half double crochet, and a single crochet into the same stitch again. The first petal is ready. Now we need to make a slip stitch into the next stitch of the flower center. Now the second petal, again we make 7 stitches in one stitch of the previous round. First a single crochet, then a half double crochet, a double crochet, a treble crochet, a double crochet again, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. The second petal is ready. Now a slip stitch into the next stitch of the previous round, and we crochet the third petal, a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, all the stitches in one stitch of the previous round, a treble crochet, a double crochet again, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. The third petal is ready. A slip stitch into the next stitch of the previous round. I will cut the tails. So now I need to crochet 2 more petals, a single crochet again, a half double crochet, again all the stitches in one stitch of the previous round, a double crochet, a treble crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. Now a slip stitch into the next stitch of the previous round. I'll crochet the last petal now, a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a treble crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. Cut the thread and pull it through the loops to fasten. The flower is ready. Now I'll use a needle to connect the edges and weave in the yarn tail. Now a knot to fasten. And weave in the yarn tail. So, the flower is ready. Let's crochet the leaves. I'll first make a knot to start crocheting. And now I'll crochet a chain of 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'll start crocheting from the second chain from the hook, so you need to skip 1 chain and start crocheting into the second one. And I'll crochet 2 single crochets first, 1 and the second one into the next chain. Now 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and now I'll crochet 8 half double crochets into the last chain, so 8 stitches in 1 chain. 1, now the second half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 more, 8. Now we continue crocheting on the other side of the chain. 3 half double crochets first, 1, and I fasten the tail in the process, 2, 3, and 2 single crochets to finish the round. 1 and 2. That's it. Cut the thread and pull it through the loops to fasten. The first leaf is ready. Now crochet 2 more following the same pattern. When you finish crocheting the third leaf, don't cut the thread. So all the 3 leaves are ready. We put one of them aside. We'll attach it almost at the end. Now we take the 2 leaves and we need to connect them. I fold each one and insert the hook through both edges. So I have 2 stitches of the first leaf on my hook. Now I fold the second leaf and insert the hook through both edges as well. Now I have 4 stitches in total on my hook. I grab the thread and pull it through all of them together. Now I just finished crocheting the single crochet by pulling the thread through the loops on my hook. So the first 2 leaves are attached. Now we need to crochet the stem, and I'll make just a chain. You crochet as many chain stitches as you wish, so that you like the length of your bookmark. I don't even count them. I just crochet and then I'll try so I can see if I like the length. So I've got almost the length I want, and now I will attach the last leaf. Again, I fold the leaf and insert the hook through both edges together. And I'll grab the thread and pull it through all the stitches on my hook. The leaf is attached. I can continue crocheting the stem. I'll make a few more stitches. And I believe that's enough for me. You can make your bookmark shorter or longer, just add or reduce the number of chain stitches. Now I cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing, and pull it through the loop to fasten. Now we need to fasten off and weave in the tails. Just a knot to fasten. And I'll insert the needle through the stitches to weave in the tail. Now the second tail. I'll fasten a bit by sewing. Now again, a knot. And weave in the yarn tail by inserting through the stitches of the leaf. Almost ready. Now we need just to sew the flower to the stem. And weave in the yarn tail. I insert it through the chains and come out near the leaf. Now I'll make one more knot to fasten. And insert it through the stitches to weave the tail in. That's it! Your bookmark is ready! Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it with me. Follow DidyToys for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and see you!